Be 2 weeks ready. Food Plan, Activity 10. Follow along on Toolkit, page 58.
Activity 10, Food Plan. Create your food plan. The goal is to build preparedness by gathering and storing a 2-week food supply. Refer back to your food and water tracker from Activity 2 to make your food plan. As you develop your plan, remember that following a disaster that knocks out power, you'll only be able to keep food properly chilled and safe to consume for a few days, provided you have enough ice and cooler. It's best to stock food items that don't require refrigeration and have a long shelf life. Food in cans and jars or dried foods like jerky or fruit leather are best. Keep these foods in a cool, dry place, away from the animals. The emergency pantry items list helps you identify and track your progress in food storage. It includes a sample selection of the major food groups and intake recommendations. Consider printing it out and posting it on your fridge, pantry, door, or wherever you'll stash your 2 weeks ready food supply. If you don't want to use a computer, a handwritten list will do just fine. This will be a visual reminder of the great progress you're making. Be sure to also check out the emergency food items shopping list offered in this skills building lesson.